Hi everybody, I want to briefly explain why Ecclesia law has issued Dan Neidle a damages notice for $120 million. Basically, it's because Dan Neidle, as I mentioned on my previous video, I say, and Ecclesia law will back all of these things up with all of the forensic research that's been done into the matter. We say that Dan Neidle is vicariously liable because he's joined together with Simon Goldberg and copied Simon Goldberg's narrative, which led to the sabotage which our membership suffered and I suffered, where there was already $600 million of confirmed wages and tax transcript. That is the confirmation from the IRS of the abandoned credit recoupments. This all happened between September last year, when the sabotage event broke out, by Amy Sanger, David Ayerist, and a number of other people that I've listed in my webinars and in various documents. Now, why did Amy Sanger and David Ayerist sabotage and Lisa Griffin sabotage everything? Well, if you read Dan Neidle's blogs that he's been pushing out all over the internet since 2024, you may be persuaded that Ian Clifford is a fraudster if you read Dan Neidle's blogs. And Ian Clifford is a tax fraudster, a pseudo-law nutter who doesn't understand what he's doing. Now, if you're a trustee in the US or you're operating in a position of some significance and you're providing services to the Matrix Freedom PMA members and you're reading Dan Neidle's blogs, that might cause you to resign. It might cause you to sabotage everything, which is exactly what happened. So Dan Neidle is vicariously liable because it caused the sabotage of the Matrix Freedom members' IRS confirmed recoupments. But in addition to that, he's tortiously interfered in all of the contracts between the members and the trustees, of which there were 36 appointed trustees in the United States. Now, in addition to that, I had created, and it's still in operation, the OSN Foundation in Panama. Now, this foundation has been established to finance the build out of what's really motivating me and why I spend 7 days a week working on this project, which is the independent community infrastructure of free energy, of farm to table food, of clean water, of alternative health, of no non-track and trace communications, of our own currency system backed by physical gold, and our own travel system, just to mention a few of the things, which was going to be financed and will be financed by the 20% share of the recoupments that goes to finance the Freedom Plan for our worldwide membership. So that's what is going on, and that is why Ecclesia Law has just served a